Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to show you are playing a Roblox on Discord.
so firstly, let's open a Roblox player. So in the search panel of Windows, we will type Roblox player, then click on open. So now the Roblox player is open, and now all we have to do is go and open up Discord. So we'll go to the search panel again, then type Discord, and if you have Discord installed on your PC, it will show in here, or you can just download it from the browser, then click on open. Now we can see that the Discord is open and Roblox is detected, and in order to do that you have to go to registered games. If you do not see Roblox here as a registered game, all you have to do is just click on add it, then add Roblox, and after that you have to go to activity privacy, then click on share your detected activities with others, toggle it on. So now after doing that, if you go to any server, you will see that you are being shown as playing a Roblox, and if anybody clicks on you, they will see that you are playing Roblox as well. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.